This is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're doing a fun fold with the Forever Plaid DSP, the stylish shapes, the circle, and then the Hooray for Surprises to make a birthday card. And it looks like this. And then it opens like this. And here's a top view. You can use this for any occasion. Alright, so get started. A card base 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, a quarter sheet of cardstock. The Z fold is 4 1/4 by 6, scoring at 2 and 4. The DSP that you're going to put on the card base is 5 1/2 by 2. The basic white on the inside is 4 1/4 by 3 1/8. The cardstock front is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. And the DSP that'll get on here is 4 by 3, and then the circle from the stylish die. So let's get started. Take the measurements off. Okay, so let's start with this one, the Z fold. So over and under, so Z, or is it Z that way? I'm going to use my bone folder for crisp edges. First thing I'm going to do first is have this flat part, and I'm going to adhere the white, and it matches perfectly. Let's go ahead and use glue today. So the adhesive here, and then matching, bumping it up to the fold right there. Set that aside. We're going to center this on the card base here. About there. And then adhesive on this side, just the back. And you can keep it folded so you can see where it's actually centered. Right there. The DSP goes on the front cardstock. And then this gets adhered to there, so only the adhesive on the front flap, and that's what makes that lovely fold kind of pop up. You're going to line it up to the left side. So make sure it's all lined up. Corners here, flatten there. Let that dry. And I'm going to stamp the circle. Hope your birthday is wonderful. Let's do some more dimensionals. I usually do a triangle to get most of it to pop up. Get that release paper off. And that is it. Hope your birthday is wonderful. And plenty of room to write in. Feel free to stamp there if you'd like. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get many, many, many more video tutorials such as these. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.